Hey Saint Warriors, it's Alex, your go-to guide for all things financial fitness. Do you find yourself scratching your head at the end of the month, wondering where your hard-earned 100k disappeared to? You are not alone. Many of us earn, but only a few of us learn how to turn that paycheck into a fortress of financial security and freedom. Today, I've got something extraordinary for you. We are diving deep into strategies to help you not just earn 100k but to stretch it, mold it, and use it as a stepping stone to building generational wealth. By the end of this video, you'll have a concrete roadmap that takes you from being a money earner to a money steward, a bona fide Saint warrior who not only slays debt but also builds a treasure trove for the future. So, grab a notebook and a pen, my friend. It's time to gear up for the financial ride of a lifetime. But wait a minute, have you already subscribed to this channel? If not, go ahead and do so and hit the notification bell to be receiving alerts every time I publish a video. Also, show me some love by smashing that like button. It's free. Alright folks, let's start by talking about the basics and dive right into the nitty-gritties. You see, financial freedom is a lot like building a house. You need a solid foundation first. So, let's lay those bricks first. Do you even know your income? The first key to financial management is understanding your income. Where is your 100k coming from? Do you have multiple streams of income or just one? It's crucial to know every shilling coming into your pocket. This helps you see the bigger picture and informs how you allocate these funds. Start tracking your expenses. Ever heard of the saying, look after the pennies and the pounds will look after themselves? Well, that holds true here. Tracking your expenses shows you where your money is slipping away. Is it dining out? Is it betting and gambling? Is it alcohol addiction? How many mistresses do you have? Or maybe impulse shopping? Either way, you'll never know until you start tracking your money. Sit down, reflect, and write it down. Then start budgeting. This is your money plan. A budget isn't a restriction, it's liberation. It gives you the freedom to spend wisely and save efficiently. Think of it as a GPS to financial freedom. It is what you need to convert that 100k into a treasure rather than a trivia. Wondering how to do this? Grab a done for you budget template from the link in the description below and start your journey. Just know that a plan without basics is like a ship without a compass. You might float, but you won't get far. Now that we have laid down the basics, let's focus on something just as important, your safety net. Yes, I'm talking about insurance and an emergency fund. These aren't nice to haves. These are must-haves. And let's explore why. Have medical and life insurance. Imagine you are on a plane. What's the first thing they tell you? Put on your oxygen mask before helping others. The same principle applies to insurance. By protecting yourself medically and securing your life, you are also protecting your family and your assets. Don't leave this to chance. Your well-being is too precious to gamble. For the medical insurance, self-insure by saving for your outpatient medical expenses and then get an inpatient policy from a good insurance company. Next, build a starter emergency fund. If you're already in debt, you need a starter emergency fund first. You have got to prepare for life unexpected twists and turns. A starter emergency fund is like a spare tire in the trunk of your car. You don't plan to have a flat tire, but it's a lifesaver when you do. Aim to save 100k or at least 1 month's expenses initially, then work your way up after you are done paying your debts. This small caution can be the difference between keeping you financially stable and falling into a debt trap when unexpected expenses occur. Just know that safety isn't just caution, it's wisdom. Protect yourself first, and then the rest of your financial house will be much easier to build. Now that we have got the safety net in place, it's time to tackle the elephant in the room. That is debt. Friends, listen closely. Debt is not just a financial burden, it's an emotional weight that can drag you down for years. But here is good news, you can conquer it, and here is how. Start by listing all your debts. The first step to solving any problem is identifying it. So make a list of all your debts, no matter how big or small. Knowing exactly how much you owe gives you the awareness and urgency to act. Ignorance here is not bliss, it's a financial time bomb waiting to go off. The second thing you need to do is to prioritize your debt and attack it. Now, use the debt snowball method to eliminate this mess. Here is how it works. You start by paying off your smallest debt first while making minimum payment on the rest. Once the smallest debt is cleared, move on to the next one, and so on. It's called a snowball because as you clear each debt, you gain momentum, making it easier to tackle the larger debts. Want more of this? Grab the Winning the Game of Debt copy from the link in the description below and see this magical 8-step debt crash strategy to help you crash that debt in turbo mode. Now that we have dealt with the present, it's time to cast our eyes to the future. Remember, Saint Warriors, it's not just about living for today, it's about securing our tomorrow. Here's how you do it. First, complete your fully funded emergency fund. If the starter emergency fund was a spare tire, a fully funded emergency fund is a whole repair kit. Aim for 3 to 6 months or even 12 months of living expenses depending on your situation. This isn't just a good financial sense, it's peace of mind, knowing that you are covered no matter what life throws at you. Second thing you need to do is to start your retirement fund and kid college fund. I know retirement at college seems ages away, right? But here's the truth. The earlier you start saving, the less you have to scramble later. Even small monthly contributions can grow into substantial sums thanks to the power of compound interest. Future-proofing isn't procrastination, it's preparation. By taking these steps, you are not stealing from your present. You are investing in the future where your financial worries are a thing of the past. Now we have talked about the basics, building our safety net, clearing the path of debt, and even looked into the future. Now, let's talk about the critical step, building to last. And this is where you start by saving for your home or your first car. You know, owning assets like home or car isn't just about status, it's about creating stability and value. But don't let society pressures rush you into big financial commitment. Save consistently, make informed choices, and when the right time comes, make that purchase without splurging into debt. The second thing you need to do is start creating passive income. The ultimate financial goal isn't just to make money, but to have your money make money for you. Work towards creating a passive income stream that covers your monthly expenses. It could be in real estate, dividend-paying stock, money market fund, government bonds, or even starting a side business. The goal is to reach a point where you are financially free, not just financially stable. This step will accelerate your wealth building and you achieving all other financial goals. Remember, financial freedom isn't a sprint. It's a marathon that requires consistent effort, discipline, and smart choices. The power to build a lasting legacy is in your hands. Alright, now you have mastered the basics and learned how to future-proof your life and build assets that last. Remember, the difference between financial chaos and financial freedom lies in the planning, discipline, and making informed decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and join our Saint Warrior tribe where we talk about money, growth, and legacy. Check the link in the description below for more details. If you are struggling with debt, consider diving into my book, The Winning the Game of Debt and the 8 Steps Debt Crash Strategy. You are not alone, and there is a proven path out of the debt maze. Until next time, stay strong, stay wise, and take control of your financial destiny. You have got this.